Hey Cubers! In today's video, we are going to talk about this green puzzle cube. So I bought this puzzle cube from a stationery shop recently. They were actually having a big discount and I got it at a really cheap price at around $1.70 US dollar. So the base color of this cube is green and the tiles is pasted with stickers and you can actually feel it when you rub your hand against it. So it's not really smooth and you can actually feel the sticker. So the turning itself is not that smooth, but I would still say it's okay. And it makes loud sound when you turn the cube. So however, despite all this, overall I still think it's a nice and decent puzzle cube considering its price. So without further ado, let's try out this puzzle cube. Let's scramble our puzzle cube. Next, we'll apply the FR mix method to solve this cube. Let's go. So our puzzle cube is solved. So I hope you like this video and this green puzzle cube. Please subscribe to our channel so that we can hit 1000 subscribers. Thank you and we'll see you again in our next video.